ugeretio na finances, ni ugeretio na mathire, ni ugeretio na gutaho, ki ugeretio na kio, remain firm because it is not above you. Haina nguvu kukushinda. Wewe ndio uko na nguvu kuishinda. Imagine, ogo niguo Ngai aratwira muthenya wa umuthi. Ithwe twina hinya wa gutoria kindu kiu kiri hau, kiu ki metha-ini, kiu urageria gutamburukia metha-ini uguo, ukageria gubanga, ukageria kugia na anja na nduri. Wageria kwiyuria ukaga, wageria kurora biacara kau gaku ukaga, wageria kurora karia ukaga mwihoko, warora miaka yaku ukamberia kurigwo Mwathani nie no ngakira ciana, Mwathani nie no ngarugama, Mwathani nie no ndihota guthomithia ciana ici, no hari muthenya ukarugama ndihande tamaka. The power you need to stand, to be firm, you have it. You have it with you. Ndoka gukuririkania ati hinya uria turabatara wa kurugama na kwihanda na kuhota gutoria undu ucio twinaguo niki ni tondu Ngai arauga atiriri mandiko marauga atiriri Ngai ndangitikira tugerio beyond our power. He cannot allow that. Ndagwitikiria ugerio beyond your power. Koguo wina hinya wa gutoria undu ucio ragerera. Ritwa ria Ngai rirogoco. Wina hinya wa gutoria undu ucio ragerera. Na reke ngwire sometimes no wiyurie ati riu mari undu uyu ndiragerera ri ngohota atia kuukiria hinya nie na ni undoretie for so many years, you're counting years. Undu ucio uri gutoretie amwe aitu, reke njuge amwe aitu nginya ni ndikire ho tondu kiugo kia Ngai ukakwereria mundu wothe. Amwe aitu ni tutoretio nginya ni generational curses, you know, ukambiria nginya gwitikira like na by then ni kwetu kama kuna kashida na ni kweli Ngai witu ni kuri gathina. Why are you nikikira to more bow to that thing and it does not have power over you? Why are we bowing? Nikikira to matoinamirire thina witu na ni tuwe to ni kwandike na kwandikitwo atia ati Ngai ndagetikira tugerio na igeria muthikiriria lego gatunina no nginya tuhote ku remain firm. Ringi okoro kwanyu ni njohi, ringi Ngai akuhete maitho na matu muthenya wa muthi uthikiririe ugi atiriri na nima angikorwo uyu niguo undu uria tugeretio naguo thiini wa family itu. Ciana citu itihikanagia, anake itu matihikanagia no njohi na whatever, then I must stand firm tondu Ngai ni atiriri ni ndari ndugame na hote kuhoera ciana citu, ni ndari ndugame na hote gukararia miario whoever, doesn't matter who's gutira makania no waritie. Angikorwo ti Ngai waritie, then it doesn't matter. Kama si Mungu ameongea, then to me it doesn't matter. Me when now God speaks is when I listen. Ritwa ria Ngai rirogoco ati anga kwanyu anga ciathire anga ciaikurukire anga we. Let me tell you, this is what is written. Niguo kwandikitwo ati nduri hindi Ngai witu ucio watumbire agetikiria tugerio beyond our power to remain firm. Do you know the reason you're standing? Because hata kama ni mbaya, unajua siku hizi wanasema ni mbaya yes, hata kama ni, but you're still standing, you're still breathing. Yes, you are sick but you're still standing, you're still breathing. Muthikiriria wako wa kigoco, you are firm because whatever you're going through is not stronger than you. Haya.